Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to share this one easy DIY body scrub that you can make with things available in your house. Doesn't need a lot of effort, but it is very effective. It will give you brighter complexion all throughout your body. It will remove tan. If you have any scars on your body, it will remove that. It will make your body smooth and very soft and shiny, and it's very effective. So if you want to know how to make this DIY, then please keep watching. Okay, so the ingredients are very simple. You'll find it in your kitchen. All you need is 1 cup of oats, so as much as you want to take. You will need coffee. Now if you find coffee beans, you can grind it. The coarser it is, the better it would be. And then you will need 1 full lime, not more than this. 1 whole lime is more than enough for your entire body. Now I like soaking the oats in 1 cup of water for about 20 minutes. That way the water can absorb all the goodness of the oats. Now all you have to do is add the coffee and the lime to it and make it into a mixture. You need to wait for 20 minutes because, you know, as you can see, it almost looks like oat milk kind of consistency. That is really good for your skin. It helps brighten your skin and it has a lot of benefits, and that's why I like soaking it. That way the consistency also will be really nice, where you can scrub it and it's not dry on your body. Just add the coffee and lime to the oats. Now as you can see, I like the consistency to be a little watery because that way it's very easy to scrub and your skin does not tug because of the dryness. And this smells absolutely amazing. I love the way it smells. So this should be the consistency that you will actually need. So like I mentioned, I like this a little watery because I've made this mixture thick and it's a little difficult to scrub on your body, so I like it in this consistency. It's just easier to scrub all over your body. Now this smells really nice, so you will also smell like coffee, and this scrub is really good if you have any kind of old stubborn tan. This will remove that, help remove that. Now how often can you use this? I would suggest to use this on alternate days. I like using this only on days when I'm having a body shower, because usually when you're washing your hair it's too much work already. So I like using this only when I'm having a body shower. That way I can really scrub. Now this will also help brighten your underarms, but do not use this mixture if you've just shaved or waxed, because that way, because it has lime, it can sting. If you have really sensitive skin, then it can give you rashes. So if you've just shaved or just waxed, do not use this under your arms, but otherwise this is great to brighten your underarms. If you have dark neck, you can use this on your dark neck as well, especially women who have suffered from those hormonal darkness during pregnancy. This helps with that as well. You can use this around your neck during pregnancy, after pregnancy. This will definitely help reduce the darkness, and you will see good results within 2 weeks of using this. Actually 1 week. 1 week you will see that your skin looks brighter and softer. Another thing I want to mention is this is quite messy, so please do it in your bathroom and make sure to wash your bathroom after that. Otherwise your mom is going to throw you out of your house because oats will be everywhere. So make sure you wash your bathroom, because I've made the mistake. And yeah, now do not store this. I don't like storing. Like, though you can store some mixtures, I'm not a fan of storing. I feel like when it's fresh it works better. That's just a mental thing, but I like doing things when it is fresh. And because this doesn't have too much effort, you can make this within 10-15 minutes and you're good to go. Even if you don't have time to soak it in the water for 20 minutes, you can pour water and within 5 minutes you can use it. So it's very easy. Try it, and I'm sure you will love this this remedy, and you will thank me. If you're a bride, you can use this. If you don't want to spend a lot of money on expensive scrubs, you can use this. This will really help make you will see once you use this, you will see how shiny and how bright your body looks. So use it and tell me down in comments below how this remedy has worked for you. But sometimes, you know, our skins are different people react differently. So if this is working a little slow for you, don't worry. Like I always say, be consistent, be patient, it will definitely work for you. And for some people the results are faster, like on me you can see results quite quickly, and on some people it is a little slow. So there's nothing wrong with that, and you don't have to worry. Just be consistent and patient and it will definitely work on you. I will meet you guys in my next video. Until then, bye.